sitting or standing for long hours throughout the day? Are you having any swelling in your feet or ankles? I'm going to show you one powerful asana. For this pose, we'll be doing against the wall. So if you don't have a wall, you can always do it against the cupboard or your door. Let's start to get into the pose. So first, go closer to the wall. Put your legs away and start to stick the buttocks to the wall. Have enough space and lie down. Now, roll your legs up. Stay closer. Let the seated bones touch the wall and lie down, adjusting your body. Make sure your head is at the center, the neck is stretched, hands either on the abdomen or down. Now legs, try and keep it straight and heels against the wall. Anybody with any tight legs, if you think your knees are bending, that's okay. But support the heels up to the wall. You can always add in a bolster, a pillow, or some blanket if there's too much space between the wall and the legs. Stretch as much as you can and relax. Relax the shoulder, head, neck, facial muscles. Close your eyes and stay here. Take a slow, long, deep breath in. And exhale completely. Inhale. Exhale. You can stay here for maximum 10 minutes. Start with 2, 3 or 5 minutes a day. While staying here in that duration, if you find any sensations at your legs, any pain, any numbness, don't worry, it's expected. You can slowly move your toes that time or bend your knees to release it. As you hold for a longer duration, sometimes you might feel coolness at the leg, which is absolutely fine. When you want to release, slowly bend your knees one at a time. Roll to any comfortable side. Bring the knees down. Support your body with your palms and sit.